Several food tour options for food lovers of all kinds. Enjoy Galveston Island culinary hotspots in the Strand district. Sample food at 10 locations on a walking tour. One of the best things to do on Galveston Island without hitting the beach. ID required if consuming alcohol. Eat Texas-style Gulf Coast food. Indoor, outdoor, patio restaurants, and dessert. Experience many of Galveston's foods in only one stop and no lines. Call 409-599-5425 or make reservations online at tasteofthestrand.com.